Hey, what's up? Sami here. Again, my partner Tech has forwarded me his opinion of Mi CC9 Pro from the launch event in the first time. Make sure to subscribe to his YouTube channel in the description. Now in this video I'm going to unbox and hands-on the Xiaomi CC9 Pro. Basically the packaging remains the same as CC9, as this is Chinese version. Up here you can see support all China network operators here. Down with the Xiaomi CC9 Pro Premium Edition text. Move to the back, you can see there are still some highlights there, like 108 megapixel camera, 5260 mAh battery. It also comes with some fancy slogans like "You're unique, show yourself," those kind of thing. Anyway, let me show you some other specs. What I got is a black 8 gigs of RAM plus 256 gigs of ROM. Should be the highest specs of the series. Without further ado, let's unbox it. I guess nothing new out there. The first layer is the foam. The second layer is the case, some paperwork, I paint those. The bottom is Type-C cable. The charger is 30 wattage. Let's take a close look. The max output is 10 wattage, 3 amp. The official info shows it can fully charge the 5260 mAh battery within 65 minutes. That's pretty fast. As you can see, it also supports QC 3.0 as well. So that's the CC9 Pro foam. The back is full curved glass. It looks round and the hand feel is really cool. The front panel is curved as well. Do you remember the last curved Xiaomi phone? Yes, it's Mi Note 2, and as for international market, the CC9 Pro will be renamed as Mi Note 10. Coincidence? Back to the design. Still you can see the power key and a volume key, just as other Mi phones. The bottom, what surprises me is it still has 3.5mm headphone jack. The audio quality should be really good, as Xiaomi said it was high-res water certified. On top there's mic and infrared blaster. The biggest upgrade for the Mi CC9 Pro is the camera. It comes with a total of 5 cameras lined up vertically, 2 dual LED flashes, 5 times optical. I just listed the specific specs for each lens on the screen. You can check it out. At the phone power up, let's check out some of the gestures. It feels smooth, no lag at all, and it's not big difference comparing to, I guess, Samsung S10 series. Let's check out other specs, as you probably knew it from the rumors. The processor is the Snapdragon 730G, a medium one, not as good as Snapdragon 855 Plus of course, but enough for daily drive. Let's move to the camera interface, which is the one that excites me most. It has several choices. The medium digital zoom is 0.6 times, while the max zoom is 50 times. It also supports 5 times zoom optical zoom. I've took some samples. Let's just check out. Even you zoom in a lot, you can still see the details. The picture is sharp and crisp. And you can see there is a green box inside the white box. That means what part in the picture we are viewing right now. That's pretty cool. Overall, the Mi CC9 Pro is a pretty solid phone. It has unbeatable battery life and camera system. The processor may not seem that strong, but should be enough to handle daily tasks. If you really need these 2 features for the phone, then this is the right one for you. As time is tight, I'll bring in more tests in later videos, like game test or camera test, etc. Or what test you want to know. Just comment below and let me know. Please stay subscribed. I'm Sami. See you next time.